Polygon MATIC is one of my favorite cryptos in the entire market. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I have made dozens of videos talking about why I am bullish on Polygon. So today I want to take a minute to talk about how Polygon can realistically hit $20 per coin. We're going to go over some big announcements that just came out from VCs, some things that Mark Cuban has said, and we're also going to go over a very important thing that is happening with the overall market, which could push Polygon up to at least $20 per coin very quickly. So let's jump right in. First thing is the overall crypto market is sitting at a $2.4 trillion market cap. It's up 8.62% over the last 24 hours, and we're finally starting to see the overall market bounce back after all of that fear with that flash crash and everything going on. That is, first of all, good news. We're seeing the crypto fear and greed index back up to 25. Things are turning around for the better, which is exactly what we wanted to see. We wanted to see Bitcoin's price stay above $50,000 per coin because that has acted as a very key level over the last couple of months for Bitcoin, and seeing us back above it is very bullish. Second thing going on before we get into some details about Polygon is with Bitcoin whale accounts. A Bitcoin whale account just purchased 2.7 thousand additional Bitcoin, and this totaled $137 million. This is important because this is the third largest Bitcoin whale wallet address, holds $6 billion worth of Bitcoin, over 118,000 Bitcoin it has. This is the second highest Bitcoin count. The second highest Bitcoin count for this wallet was in July when Bitcoin's price was right around $30,000 per coin. So seeing them load up, double down, and have the highest amount of Bitcoin in the wallet now is a very bullish sign for the overall market, and is only going to help all of these altcoins we've been consistently talking about. Last thing before we get into Polygon is going to be with Cardano. Cardano is another one of the top coins on our channel, one that we've talked about a lot. We've been talking about this thing since it was well below $1 per coin. And Cardano, big announcement recently is that SundaeSwap officially rolled out. SundaeSwap is a decentralized exchange on Cardano, launched its public testnet, and this is going to be very important because smart contracts on Cardano are fairly new. We saw them roll out earlier in 2021, but there were a couple of huge technical roadblocks for any projects trying to use these smart contracts. So what happened is that now we're finally seeing that SundaeSwap has become the first fully functional DEX on Cardano testnet, and this is only going to help Cardano in the future continue to rise, and it's going to help more and more companies and projects build on the back of Cardano. So all of that, great news. Overall market stuff going on with Cardano. But let's talk about the real reason I wanted to make this video today, which is what is going on with Polygon. Polygon has been one of the favorite coins on the channel for a while. We've talked about it so many times. Recently, just within the last couple of hours, we have seen that VCs are now in talks to invest $50 to $100 million into Polygon. A brand new report came out from TechCrunch on Monday, December 6th, 2021, and it said how a group of venture capital investors are in talks to back Polygon with an investment between $50 and $100 million. It looks like it's Sequoia Capital India and Steadview Capital. These are the companies looking to make this investment, but this is very, very important because Polygon has major names behind it already. Mark Cuban has it listed as one of his Mark Cuban companies, Polygon. We covered this months ago when he first invested in them. We're seeing that a number of big names are part of this, and not only that, they actually have a lot of use cases. So for those of you who aren't familiar, Polygon is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum, meaning that as Ethereum's price continues to rise, as more projects continue to be built on Ethereum, the biggest problem here is that gas fees are ridiculous. They're so high. Like, no one wants to use Ethereum when they have to pay $100 for one single transaction. And if you've tried to buy an NFT before on OpenSea, you've tried to do anything using Ethereum's network, you've seen how ridiculous these gas fees are. They make people not want to use the network. But since Ethereum is already the biggest layer 1 ecosystem, since there are so many projects on it, a lot of developers still just continue to pick it. And that is where Polygon comes into place. Polygon is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum, meaning that if you think of Ethereum as the main highway, all of these transactions take place. Ethereum has too many projects built on it. It can't handle all of these transactions. It's just one highway. It's too congested. So what happens is now Polygon is a layer 2 solution, providing an alternative route, essentially, for these projects to build on, meaning that they don't have to go on the main highway anymore. They could take a side road, which has less congestion and less like gas fees, less fees. That is where Polygon comes into place. It helps with the scalability aspect of Ethereum. So the one reason, like I've said, we've been talking about this coin for a while. We've said this coin can 10x in December. The reason why this coin can actually 10x, not just throwing out prices, not just saying it's going to reach $20 per coin. There are a couple of important things. The first is when we look at Polygon's market cap relative to Ethereum's market cap. Right now, Polygon has a market cap of $17 billion. Ethereum is right around $525 billion. Right now, Polygon's market cap is about 3% the size of Ethereum. But as Ethereum continues to grow, I only see that percentage increasing. I think it is very realistic to say that Polygon could have 10% the size market cap as Ethereum does in the future, because as Ethereum continues to grow, gas fees get higher, well, more people are going to turn to Polygon. So I think it could easily be 10%. Second thing is everyone is predicting, no one knows for sure, but most people, most analysts and experts are predicting that Ethereum will reach at least $10,000 per coin in this bull market. As a result, that would put its market cap well above $1 trillion. So if we're simply looking at what experts are saying about Ethereum, with all of the development going on, with all of the NFTs being built on Ethereum, if we simply take that, saying $10,000 per coin, that would put Ethereum's market cap about $1.2 trillion. So if Polygon had a 10% market cap, that would mean to have at least $120 billion market cap, which would put it right around $20 per coin. So simply looking at the market cap based on Ethereum price predictions, I think it is very possible. Second thing, like we said, is with gas fees. Gas fees are becoming higher and higher. And gas fees have increased over 200% from just 1 year ago. Every single time we have seen Ethereum's price rise, it has only accelerated this process, which is going to push more and more people into Polygon. So all of this stuff has made me very, very bullish on Polygon. Last thing is going to be with technical indicators, because TechDev on Twitter recently came out. He posted about Polygon MATIC, comparing the charts of Ethereum 2017 and Polygon MATIC 2021. And this revealed some very interesting insights. When we look at this, we could see that Ethereum in 2017 and Polygon in 2021 have almost identical charts if you look at the exact patterns taking place. And during this time period, for Ethereum in 2017, we saw it rally from $4, just $4 per coin, all the way up to over $1,000 per coin. So I believe where we are right now is we're going to continue to see Polygon's price movements follow those of Ethereum in 2017. And because of everything going on with gas fees, because of everything going on with VCs looking to invest more money in Polygon, and because of just how Ethereum's network is growing, I think all of that is going to make Polygon rise even higher. So the way that I see it is Polygon is a leveraged play on Ethereum. If Ethereum's price goes up, I see Polygon doing even better. If Ethereum's price does very poorly, well, then I think Polygon will do a little bit worse. So that's what's going on with Polygon. That's why I think it could easily reach $20 per coin. Let me know your thoughts, though, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. See you guys in the next episode. See ya.